Hello children, are you ready for another phonics lesson with your pencil and paper ready? Great, let's begin. So we are going to start off this morning with how many syllables can you hear? So I'm going to say a word, and remember syllables are how we chunk up the words. So if we practice clapping as we say the word, it will tell us how many syllables there are. Okay, so should we have a go? Let's have a look. The first word is trainer. So say the word and clap at the same time. Trainer. How many times did you clap? Shall we check? Let's have a look. Trainer. Trainer. Twice. Trainer. Did you get that one? Fantastic. Should we try the next one? September. So remember, say the word September and clap along. September. How many times did you clap? Let's have a check. September. 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 Did you clap 3 times? Yes, because there are 3 syllables. September. Are you ready for the next one? Chair. Chair. So remember, say it and clap along. Chair. How many syllables did you find? 1. Chair. Okay, ready for the next one? Teacher. So say the word and clap at the same time. Teacher. How many times did you clap? How many syllables are there? Teach-er. Teacher. Did you get 2 syllables? Fantastic. Okay, let's do the last one. Yesterday. Yesterday. Can you say it and clap along? Yesterday. How many times did you clap? Let's see if you got all those syllables. Yesterday. Yesterday. How many times? 3. There are 3 syllables in the word yesterday. Did you get those right? You can practice those at home as well, can't you? Okay, let's move on. I am going to say a sound and I want you to write down the grapheme that represents that sound. So are you listening carefully? Okay, the first sound I want you to write is R. R. Can you remember how we write the grapheme for R? Should we have a look? R. Did you get that one? Great. Now if you can write R, can you write me the word shark? Shark. Remember, sound talk it in your head and then write it down. I'm not going to help you with this one. Shark. Have you written it down? Let's have a look. Did you get it? Should we sound talk it together? Shark. Shark. Great. Don't worry if you didn't. Write it down now. Are you ready? The next phoneme is air. Air. Can you remember how to write the grapheme for air? Have you done it? Remember, pop a sound button underneath if it helps you. Air. Let's have a look. Air. Great. Using our grapheme for air, can you write me the word flare? Flare. Remember, sound talk it in your head and then sound talk it to your paper. Flare. Sound talk it. Should we check it? Pop the sound buttons underneath if you want to, it helps you. Here we go. Flare. Let's sound talk it together. Air. Flare. Did you get that one? Great. Okay, Are you ready for the next sound? Ear. Ear. Can you write me the grapheme for ear? Oh, can you remember it? Let's have a look. Ear. Did you guess it? Great. So using our grapheme for ear, can you write me the word spear? Spear. Sound talk it. And then sound talk it to your paper as you write it. Spear. Are you ready to check it? Let's have a look. Let's sound talk it together. Ear. Spear. Did you get that one? Brilliant. Okay, pencils down for the moment. We are going to say the sounds that we see. Okay, now remember, I need you to say them before I do. Are you ready? Here we go. Ow. Z. Ch. X. E. J. I. Or it can be th. Did you stick your tongue out? Great. V. E. I. W. E. A. U. Or it can be oo. Qu. Ow. A. Y. Or it can be E at the end of a word, can't it? Like sunny. Or Z. E. O. R. Sh. O. Oo. Or it can be O. Or. Oi. U. Or it can be oo. I. Or. W. U. Or it can be oo. Oi. Ear. Your. Air. And A. Now today we are going to be looking at this digraph, and it's a special digraph. It's our split vowel digraph, isn't it? And we use this digraph, it makes the same sound as A, our other alternative sounds. Do you remember the AI and the AY? It makes the same sound. And we put underneath a sound button, but in this case we use a noodle. You can tell Mrs. Goodwin likes her food. A noodle goes underneath. And in between, we often find another letter. Okay, so what's happening here is when we add an E to the end of a word, it changes the A sound to an A sound. Changes it to its letter name, doesn't it? The A becomes A. Okay, so what we're going to do, I am going to show you how it works. So let's have a look. If I write the word mad, can you sound to the word mad? A-d. M-a-d. Mad. Now if I add that E at the end, remember that naughty F, we never sound talk it, do we? We can put a noodle underneath and it changes that word to m-a-d. Made. Do you see that? It's very clever, isn't it? Okay, Should we try another one? If I say the word tap, let's sound talk tap. T, a, t, ap, tap. But if I add the E to the end, I've got my split vowel digraph, and now I've got t, a, tape. Fantastic. Okay, we'll try one more. Maybe you want to write this one down as well. Let's write the word mat. Mat. Let's sound talk it. A, t, at, mat. Remember, if we add the E to the end, we have now got a noodle. We've got a split vowel digraph. So now we've got a, t, mate. Do you see that? Brilliant. Okay, so remember, if you see a split vowel, it's got another letter in between, another sound, another consonant in between, it changes this sound to its letter name, to the A sound. Okay, why don't we sound and blend some words using our split vowel digraph A. Are you ready? Now, these cards, they don't have a noodle, they show it above. But it's the same as us using our noodle. Should we have a go? Should we do the first one together? K, a, came. Did you get that? Okay. Let's see if you can do this one on your own. I'll join in. Aid. Made. I made my bed when I got up this morning. Brilliant. Ready? You try it. I'll join in. Make. I like to make a cake. Do you think you can do this one? I'll join in. Take. Well done. Are you remembering to blend those sounds at the end of the word? Ready? I'll join in. Game. Fantastic. Okay, see if you can do this one. I'll join in. Same. And we're back to the beginning. So do you see how this grapheme is making the same sound as our other A digraphs? Let's practice writing some words, shall we? So remember, I'm going to say the word. You're going to show me your phonic fingers. We're going to sound talk them back and work out how many phonemes are in them. And we are going to be using this new A grapheme. So, are you ready? The first word is came. Came. Can you sound talk it to me? Came. Let's see if we can write that down using our new A split vowel digraph. Came. Remember, sound talk it to your paper. Came. Did you get that one? Fantastic. Okay, are you ready for the next one? Take. Take. Sound talk it. Take. See if you can write it down. Take. Now sometimes when you first start using this, you might find it easier to write the split vowel at the same time. So take. Did you get it? Fantastic. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. Game. Game. Sound toolkit? G-A-M. Game. See if you can write it down. Remember, we're using our split vowel digraph. A. Game. Ready? G. A. M. Sound button it to check it. G. A. M. Game. Brilliant. Oh, you're doing so well. Okay, let's do one more. Same. Same. Sound toolkit? S-A-M. Same. See if you can write that one. Same. S-A-M. S-A-M. Same. So do you see how I've put the noodle to join my letters A and E to make one sound? So it's still a digraph, it's still two letters making one sound. It's just that this E is at the end of the word. S-A-M. Same. Brilliant. Okay, so that is the introduction to our split vowel digraph A. Okay, pop your pencils down. We are going to read some sentences. Now remember, try and read them on your own. Remember, sound talk any words that you're unsure of. And if you sound talk some words, we'll read the sentence again. Let's go. See if you can read it first. We've got some of our high frequency words in there. Should I join in? My dad sits in a chair. Chair in the garden. And I lie on the ground. So we've sound talked a few of those words. Let's read the sentence again. My dad sits in a chair in the garden and I lie on the ground. Did you get that one? Fantastic. Should we have a look at another one? See if you can have a go at reading it first. Remember, look for the digraphs and the trigraphs. I'll join in. Okay. Now remember, we've got high frequency words in there and we should just be able to read them straight away. Let's have a go. They can hear the sound of birds singing in the trees. Let's read that again because I don't know what it really says. They can hear the sound of birds singing in the trees. Did you get that one? Should we read it one more time? They can hear the sound of birds singing in the trees. So remember, it's good to practice rereading a sentence if you've had to use your sounds. It's how you can get to remember and recognise those words. Fantastic. Let's move on to some high frequency and tricky words. And remember, I need you to say these as soon as you see them. Are you ready? Here goes. Look. Them. This. That. You. Are. Her. For. We. Be. My. Me. Oh, a new tricky word. Said. Said. Can you say that one? Said. Can you practice writing it down? Said. If you need to copy it, I'm going to leave it there. Said. Brilliant. Now I'm going to cover it up. See if you can write me the word said again. Said. Have you done it? Here we go. Did you get it? Brilliant. Said. Another new one. Have. Can you say that? Have. See if you can write me the word have. Copy it if you need to. Have. Brilliant. Like. Like. Can you write me the word like? Like. I'm going to cover it now. See if you can write like again. Like. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Like. Have you written it? Brilliant. So, it was sunny, so I sat in the garden. So, can you write me the word so? Going to cover it up now. Write it again. So. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So. Did you get it? Brilliant. And we are back to the beginning. Well done, children. Good job. It's been another great phonics lesson with you. I've really enjoyed it. Enjoy the rest of your day. Carry on being the best that you can be, and I will see you again tomorrow for some more phonics. Bye-bye.